In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a payment through Wise, a reliable platform for managing your international financial transactions. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your account on Wise. Without logging in, you won't be able to access the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, you'll notice several options on your screen designed to facilitate your financial tasks. These options include Send, Add Money, and Request. For our purpose today, we're going to focus on the Request option. Go ahead and click on Request. This feature is particularly useful when you need to request money from others securely and efficiently. Next, when you click on Request, you'll need to select Request Payment. This will direct you to the next step where you'll identify the individual or business from whom you want to request money. In the search bar provided, you can enter the email address of the person. This allows you to precisely find and confirm the correct recipient of your request. However, if you'd rather look through your past interactions, there's another convenient option. By selecting Anyone, you can scroll through a list of previous transactions you've made and retrieve the contact details you need from there. This is especially helpful if you're requesting a payment from someone you've done business with before, as their name should appear under the All tab. Once you've found the correct contact, it's time to enter the amount you're requesting. Be sure to double-check the currency and the amount to avoid any confusion or errors. If you'd like, you can add a personalized note in the space provided. This can be helpful to remind the other person what the payment is for or to add a friendly message to your request. After reviewing your request details, click on Request. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a payment request. It's simple, right? But wait, there's more. If you want to verify or manage your requests, you can click on View Request. This feature allows you to see all your pending and completed requests. In case the payment hasn't been received by the due date, you have a couple of options. You can mark the request as paid if you've received the money through other means. Alternatively, you could choose to send another reminder by clicking Request again. If circumstances change, or your request is no longer necessary, you can also choose to close the request. By following these steps, you're not only making your financial dealings smoother and more transparent, but also taking full advantage of the tools available through Wise. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of what Wise can offer for your financial management needs.